everyone, how are you doing today? Trust you're doing fine. It's good to have you here again. We want to continue with our online learning. Are you happy to see Miss Grace? Yes, beautiful children. Today we want to do the subject literacy. Okay? Can we say it together? Literacy. Good. And our topic says matching of sounds. Okay? Matching of sounds. Children, I believe you're familiar with your sounds, right? Yes. Do you remember your up to z? Okay? Yes. Lovely children. So today we are not going to do much, but we are just going to match our sounds together. I'm sure you're familiar with this topic. Are you? Yes. Good. Okay, we are going to start with the very first sound, which is letter sound ah. Good. A as in apple. Good. A as in what? Apple. Good, children. The next sound is what? You can tell me the sound. Oh, good. As in bird. Beautiful. The next sound is okay. As in cup. Lovely. The next sound is okay. As in girl. Lovely, children. And we have the next sound okay. As in egg. Again. As in egg. Lovely, children. So it's time to match our letter sound. Good. So what sound is this? This is what? Letter sound ah. So what do you do to it? You match it, and take it to the other ah. So we are matching a sound with another a sound. Do you understand? Yes. Lovely, children. The next sound is what? Letter sound b. Okay. So as in bird. So what are we going to do to it? We're going to match our b sound. Okay. Look for another b sound. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. So this is b sound. We are matching it with another b sound. Good. The next sound is what? Okay. As in cat. As in cup. Good. So what are we going to do to it? We are going to match it with another sound. Look for it. Yes. 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 Okay. Do you understand? Yes. Good, children. The next sound is the. Okay. The. As in what? Drum. The. As in what? Drum. The. As in what again? Dog. Okay. So what are you going to do to the sound? You're going to take this the sound and match it with another the sound. So can you see it? We are matching a with a. Okay. With b. Good. With and with and the next sound is what? Letter sound. Good, children. So as in egg. So what will you do with your egg sound? You match it with another sound. So that gives you what? Okay. This is and sound. Good. This is and this is also sound. Okay. Good, children. I believe you've learned something new today. I know the subject is not difficult for you. You're very familiar with the subject. So I'm going to give you a little homework that you will do with mommy and daddy. You're going to match some sounds for me, and I'm sure you're going to do it right. Okay? Okay, we are going to match sound. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So, bye for now and stay safe. My greetings to mom and dad. I love you. Bye-bye.